If you're working towards passing your OET exam, you're in the perfect place. We're all about helping healthcare professionals like you achieve exam success.
Reach OET B is a unique online course that gives you the knowledge, the language, and the test techniques you need to achieve a high score in each of the 4 OET papers: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Reach OET B combines different elements to give you exactly what you need to prepare effectively for the test. You get a 100-hour preparation course, 48 live lessons delivered by OET specialists from the SLC academic team, and over 70 videos from me, OET Joe, SLC's academic head. You also get full practice tests so you can see how you perform under timed conditions and understand where you need to improve before taking an official test. This online course is dynamic and interactive, with multiple activities, video and audio inputs, expert insights, and plenty of test practice. It's online, so you can study where you want and when you want. It's also accredited and certificated, so you can be confident that the course is of excellent quality. Achieving a B in OET allows you to work around the world, so subscribe now and prepare for success in OET.